What are you having for your snack right now?
Bananas.
What?
Bananas.
Bananas?
Yeah.
No, what are you having on your snack? What is that?
What's that?
What is it?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. How did we make it?
So,
We turned on the machine.
yeah.
Yeah, and then did it jump and then it popped?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you like popcorn? Mm-hmm. Is it fun to eat? Mm-hmm. Do you want to show me a piece and tell me what it looks like?
Oh, sake! No, take it. It's fine. Go ahead. No, it's yours. It already went in your mouth. I got burned by my daughter.
Are you going to share any?
No, you can have that one too.